Hey, Spidey, jongen. Hey. Oh. Rocky en Dolly. Hallo. Hey. Perfect. There. The fillies. I want to go to the fillies to check if the wire is still good with the hard wind. Windkracht 6. But first I have to do this. Yuck. A lot of rain last night. But it doesn't work. Okay. That's why it doesn't work. How? I fix it. Ta-da! Hey, Yveske. Okay. Ja. Bellen. Yveske. Hey. Lomke, Belle, Yveske en Boukje. Okay, I checked all the wire all the way around and all the poles, and there they have some extra grass, so they stay there. On that side is the power, and now I try if it's, yes, on this side. So it is. That means the power is going all the way around. So perfect. Hey, Teije Rein. Hey. Reisje. Sally. Hey. Where's Elvis? Ah, hey Elvis. Hey. Reintje. And Dolly. Hey Dolly. Well, ow. Well, my right elbow is getting better and better. So it's been 2 weeks now, I think, almost, and it's going faster than I thought. The healing, so that's perfect. Daisy. So every time I try to do something, that is going slower. But hey, never mind. Um, these horses stay in for an hour or so. They go later outside. They think it's fine. Oh, sorry, my hand. Wait a moment. I turned the phone. But they stay in for an hour so they can eat, and then I bring them out, and I go to check some poop. But I wanted to show you the tech room. Silke and Vera cleaned it, and yeah, we have a lot of stuff, but hey, I think it's perfect. Hey, Rocky. Hey. And I got this. It's also from Florian. I didn't try it yet, but I'm very curious. Hey. So I'm going to check some poop. Hey. And every time when I see this, I think of Unique. I can show you this. Someone made it for me and for the horses. This is also beautiful. Thank you. Okay. Reintje, Reintje, Reintje. She's in heat again. They're just outside. Elvis. Dolly. Rising and Teije Rein. Oh, Reintje. Okay. It's your mom. Oh. Hey, Sally. And Elvis. There's Dolly. Okay, Bauke is making the tractor. So I think it did start. And the horses were scared about that noise. I'm glad to see that Reintje is not that lame. Just a little bit. It's not getting worse. Oh, Teije Rein was kicking Reintje. Elvis to Teije Rein. Oh, and Teije Rein thinks, that's my mare. Go away, Reintje. Last week my father-in-law was cleaning the stalls, but I want to try it if I can do it alone. With my left hand. Yes. I think I can do it. It's not that much. Solly en Reintje. Elvis en Dolly. Spidey and Peach. And today it's a different day. And it's about Spidey. I bring them in and I try to tell you what's going on. And it's very windy, so I'm not for sure yet. Come, Glendy. Hello? Thank you. I'm not for sure yet. Come on. Goed zo, braaf. Oh yes, my father-in-law was painting this, but later is better. Daisy. Oh, where you go? Come on, Glendy. Come, Glendy. So Peach can stay here. Come on, Glendy. Goed zo. Peach. Spidey. Spidey. Oh. Well, Spidey is just inside and he's wet and dirty, but I think Silke and Vera will come in a moment. Yeah, you want to eat. Wait a moment. Come. And I think they going to groom him. But last week there was someone here. And today they plan to come again. Hey, no. They going to buy Spidey. Yeah. Oh. Yes. Because I have a lot of horses in, 3 years. Spidey was the first born here, so I think that's great. But every year there are new foals, or I buy a horse like Teije Rein. So every year something has to go. And yeah, Unique did go, but not the way I wanna have them to go. So I thought Spidey is the one we can sell. Because Spidey is young, Spidey needs a good friend, and where he's going to his new home, and they also have a new pony, and his name is Gerrit. So it will be our new friend. Yes, Gerrit and Spidey. Well, I think he's very nice. Yes. And hello. The one who bought him, they have a daughter who loves horses. Yes. And I think they love Spidey. Yes. And it's nearby. So maybe we can go to you someday. Yes? No. Oh, okay. I think he wants to eat. Yes? No, not me.